just completed yesterday's process exactly the same way today, and a little more dust and debris. Some of this lint, a couple big handfuls, was in the fan again. When I got in this morning and turned the car on, there was nothing. Like, it was completely dead. It didn't even try to come on. But I took it all apart, cleaned out the last big glob of lint, and it just started working beautifully. Maybe there's a loose wire, I don't know. But I'm checking it now before I put it all back together, before I put this cover back on. It seems to be working perfect, like I have a new heater now, so sounds real good. And it is completely fixed and put all back together. That was not super hard, but it was more of a pain in the butt because it's cold outside and having to do it twice. But I saved the money of going to a mechanic. I didn't even need a new part. I just needed to take it out, clean it a little more, wiggle those wires, and put it back in place. And it's like a new heater. So, I mean, maybe it'll help someone out. I sure hope so. Peace out. Woohoo! It works. I completely fixed it. It sounds perfect. I got heat. It's like a new heater.